Congratulations, Wolverines. Congratulations on your graduation. Today is the day we celebrate our success. Today is the day we celebrate our victory over challenges that we have faced in the past few years of our lives. All those early morning wake ups, all those midnight due dates, all those running between the classes in that 15-minute gap, all those hard work has paid off. In fact, the pandemic, which was able to halt the entire world, was not able to prevent us from realizing our dream. I applaud your resilience and your determination to achieve your goal. I congratulate you on living the spirit of a true Wolverine. On this day of graduation, though, comes a sad part where we have to part ways from this amazing place called University of Michigan Flint, the place which has been a huge source of inspiration and motivation to all of us. Personally speaking, it has inspired me to achieve things that I thought were impossible. Back in 2017, when I decided to come back to school, I had a lot of difficulties that I had to overcome. I was coming back to school after 10 years gap, so I didn't know how that would go. Additionally, I was married, so I had to take care of my family member in addition to my studies. So I didn't know if I would be able to balance those things. On top of everything, English is not my first language, so I was worried if I would be able to communicate properly with people or not. So I was not really confident when I first decided to come back. But the moment I stepped foot on this campus, I started seeing inspirations and motivations all around. I had thought my 10 years gap would be a big issue, but I found people with 25 years gap working hard to realize their dream to get a degree from University of Michigan Flint. If 25 years gap did not stop them, 10 years gap should not stop me. That's what I told myself. And then I started working harder. Similarly, I saw few friends who used to come to class with their kids. Then I realized I thought my family would be a hindrance to my study, but my family was actually being a support to me. Those friends, they had to take care of their kids, they had to take care of their study, and I don't know how many other things they were responsible for. But with my family, I was actually being given enough time to focus on my study. My wife was taking care of everything. I need to thank my wife at this point, who became a huge support during my study at University of Michigan Flint. So the difficulty that I had thought, I had thought my family would be my hindrance, but that transformed into my support. And the people who helped me understand that are my friends at University of Michigan Flint. Thank you. Finally, I thought English would be a trouble to me and I would have to work hard on it, and I may not be able to succeed because of this English language. But I found people who were translating their entire textbook in their native language and then learning, understanding, responding in their native language. And before submitting, they were using some app to convert their response into English language. What a trouble they were going through. Then I found out my difficulty in comparison to their difficulty is nothing. At least I could understand and I could respond to people. It is a different thing. I have to speak 4 or 5 times to make people understand what I am speaking of. But still, my struggle in comparison to those people's struggle was nothing. So if those people could go to that extent to realize their dream, why can't I? That motivated me further. So today, the person who was not confident to come back to school in 2017 is standing in front of you giving the commencement speech, graduating with a 4.0 GPA, and already pursuing a doctorate degree in Washington State University. Who brought all these change? University of Michigan Flint. I thank University of Michigan Flint, all the instructors, all my friends, everyone who has established this university, everyone who has inspired me, everyone who has motivated me. Not only people in this campus, I have found motivation in the Flint community also. I met people like Bob Sims, Kay Sims, Kate Cole, who actually opened their house and who literally became our parents on the other side of the world during our entire stay in Flint. Not only in campus, I found people in Flint community who motivated me to succeed. So I should thank Flint, I should thank Bob, Kay, all the instructors, all my friends in UM Flint, and I want to request all of you, Bob, Kay, Kate, all my friends at UM Flint, all my instructors, to continue being such a huge source of motivation and inspiration to everyone in the world, just like you have been to me. Thank you. Go Blue.